Hey guys, I'm showing you this heated socks. So this is the rechargeable pack of the heated socks. Comes in a nice box and this accessory kit, manual and the bag. This is washable, rechargeable, nano fiber or electric, the battery packs. So let's see. So this is a laundry bag. You can wash the socks inside it, or you can use it for storage as well. This is the manual and the accessory box. So this have the two 5000 milliampere battery pack with the USB-C charging. So you can charge with the USB-C and both USB-C together. So you can see the charging indicators that you can, be charged, and now this also shows the indicator for charging. So these are the socks, and you can see it's very warm cloth. This is the nanofiber elements inside, and this is the USB-C connection, and this is the USB-C port for storage. So you can just put USB-C in, and the side pocket you can store it, button it up, and you can just wear these socks. So the socks can be used like for any activity or in camping or anywhere, cycling, anywhere you want to have this warm feel. So the material and everything is very soft, and yeah, it's really nice. So this you can see from the inside as well. The material and the stitching quality is really nice for the fabric. And you can just start this button, and then you can see the indicator, and just put it in the side pocket, and it's ready to use. So right and left is mentioned on it, and after wearing it's really very nice and comfortable and cozy. So with the side pocket it doesn't feel anything on the side, and you can just store these battery packs while your socks are in use. So this is how this both socks look with the design and the condition. Really is nice material, nice design, nice feeling, and is working. So you can also control this with a Bluetooth app. So this is the app that can be used, and attaching is very easy. You just start this, and this will start, and there see is like the three different settings of warm. So low, mid and high. So you can set this up, and the charging indicator and everything you can control this through the app as well. So see it here, like there are two socks, so that both are showing. So right now I on only one, so you can see the red icon here. So if one is on, the one, and then if both are on, it will show that icon. So you can on and off from here app and control in here. So now I added both the socks, so you can see that both socks are on, and I can control it through this. I can add the temperature or whatever I want, quick heat or anything, any setting I can use. So you can see these are attached and working well. Once you are done, you can just take out the battery, and you can store that in the bag, or for the washing, as it is washable. So you can just take out the battery and you can wash these socks or the store them in this bag. It's a nice electric warm socks.